A little better. Achha, what's the most used emoji on your phone?
The cute face, with the red cheeks.
The blushy face.
The blushy face, yeah.
Such a little flirtatious little emoji. That's like cute.
Because I don't know how to react when people say, "Oh, you look so good," and your acting was really good in the drama. I just don't know what to say, so I just make the cute face and get done with it.
In your opinion, what's the most psychotic emoji?
The psycho emoji. There are a lot of them. Oh, all right. The most psycho one is where all his teeth are out and he's not even smiling. He's
like this one.
Like this?
Oh. If you had your own talk show, who would be your first guest?
My guest would be Sania Saeed.
Sania Saeed. Oh yeah, I haven't seen her in an interview in a while.
Yeah.
That would be interesting.
I would love to call her and talk to her.
Yeah,
and know more about her, she's very interesting.
And very elusive as well.
Yeah.
Very, very elusive. Yeah. The most embarrassing fashion trend that you have ever followed?
I should say the thin eyebrows.
Oh God, yeah.
It was the worst. It was the worst.
Terrible.
Like literally pencil eyebrows.
Okay. Least favorite food, like your least favorite food as a child?
I still hate bananas.
What?
Yeah.
You don't like bananas?
I hate bananas. I can't even sit in one room if there's bananas on the table.
Why?
I don't know. I don't like them.
That's a very bizarre thing to not like.
Yeah.
The final icebreaker. Your craziest memory with your siblings?
With my siblings, okay, I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters. I'm really close to my brother who's almost my age. We used to bunk schools, right? We were in the same school. And we used to just call our friends and bunk the school together. So there was this time where people used to smoke shisha a lot. It was a trend where everyone used to just smoke shisha.
Yeah.
So we bunked the school and we went to this shisha bar. It was new. And we were like, okay, we're going to go there and we're going to have a lot of fun. And some of my cousins were with us too. All of us bunked it. And when we went there and we started having shisha at 8:30 in the morning, it was my sister's Sastrali's shisha bar. So they called our parents and they told them that we were bunking the school and we were having shisha there. So we got caught real bad.
And you guys didn't think of going anywhere other than your sister's Sasral shisha bar?
I don't know. It was just new.
How old were you?
I was around 14 and he was around 16.
Okay.
Kids,
this is still like dodo age.
Yeah. So we got caught.
That's
real bad.
Hilarious.
And not just me and my brother, but our cousins also.
Oh, cause everybody got caught. And all the friends also got caught.
Yeah, all of us. And then we never bunked the school. Got scared.
Interesting. Yeah. Nice. Okay, moving on. So you're coming back to work after 2 years.
Yeah.
Do you think the industry's changed at all? Like, are there any significant differences that you've noticed in the last?
No, I feel like when I was away from it, I thought it was different. But when you come back to it, you feel like everything is the same. Nothing has changed, We have more actors now. And we have good actors जो पढ़ के आ रहे हैं बाहर से और जो जानते हैं इस काम को जो theatre से आ रहे हैं. So we have a lot of new actors with us, which is a good thing. And I feel like बाकी सब कुछ is the same.
Okay, so what was it about Mere Paas Tum Ho? I mean, like when you're reading from now to, I mean, it's a sensation.
Yeah.
That drew you to it and kind of made you be like that, oh, this will be your comeback.
Okay, so I was honestly very scared when I got the offer. Because I had no idea if it was gonna be a hit or not. I was just double-minded about doing it or not because I wasn't working for a while, and then I was like, people are gonna be like, oh, she's so desperate that she did a little guest appearance in this drama. And I wanted to come back as with a better character or some character at least. This was where the drama was ending and I was entering it. But then it was the right decision.
Do you have any favorite meme? Like, have you any, out of Mere Paas Tum Ho, is there any meme that you've shared?
Yeah.
Can you share them with us?
Yeah, I really like the one Mayo is holding Aiza and Adnan standing there, and नीचे लिखा है 2 ठरकी 1 लड़की रात 9 बजे। बहुत फनी है। और एक और मीम है जो बहुत फनी था, जिसमें हुमायूं is holding Aiza's hand and there's Humayun's face pasted on Aiza's face. So it's Humayun holding Humayun.
That one I did see.
It's really funny.
Achha, there's been a lot, and while I was researching you, and I don't know why this is such. I mean, I think across the world, with celebrity transformations.
Yeah.
And like reimagining yourself, which I think like you naturally do as you're growing up and you're growing older and you're kind of getting to know yourself and you're kind of adapting to but especially in Pakistan, the audiences react like,
Yeah.
Hi Allah, ये क्या हो गया?
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
तबाह.
Yeah.
आपने वजन लूज कर लिया, जीन्स पहन ली, अब तो आप बिल्कुल फास्ट एंड लूज गर्ल हो.
बिल्कुल सही कहा आपने.
बहुत फास्ट एंड लूज है आप. So how have you been dealing with your new fast and loose image?
Yeah, it's really difficult, guys. It's really difficult. Whenever I meet someone, they're like, "Oh, आप तो इतनी पतली हैं." What? Who says that? Everyone, whoever meets me, says, "आप तो टीवी पे बहुत मोटी लगती हैं, असली में बहुत पतली हैं." मैं कहती हूँ नहीं, ऐसा हो सकता है कि कोई टीवी पे मोटा लगता है और असली में पतला हो? नहीं, right?
No, they say the camera adds 10 pounds, but it doesn't really like add that much.
Yeah, so they've seen my old projects when I was fat,
Yeah.
and now I'm skinny, but they think that I was looking fat on screen, but I look like this in real life. So I was 14 when I started working properly, and जब तक मैं काम करती गई तब तक obviously I was just 16, 17 and I had so much money, I didn't know what to do. I used to just eat. I used to eat my money. So simple.
So yeah, so much money. You didn't know what to खाती गई.
Honestly, क्योंकि मेरे पास पैसे, मैं छोटी थी और मेरे पास पैसे आ जाते थे, और वैसे तो मैं मामा पापा को दे देती थी, लेकिन वो लोग भी तो मुझे कुछ देते थे ना उसके बाद. फिर मैं और मेरा भाई who's almost my age, हमारे पास कुछ नहीं होता था. हम रात को बस मूवी देखते थे और मंचिंग करते थे. पूरी रात हम बस खाने ऑर्डर करते थे और हम अपने दोस्तों को बुलाते थे और हम बस खाना खाते थे. एंड आई वाज फैट तब. उसके बाद obviously I started growing up and I was like, no, I can't do this anymore. I can eat or work.
Yeah.
And then I did a film actually, which was Actor-in-Law, and I saw myself on the big screen for the first time ever, and I was fat. I didn't like it. I didn't like it. I was having popcorns and I was like, नहीं, या ये या वो. मैंने पॉपकॉर्न नहीं रखे, मैं अब कुछ नहीं खाऊंगी. और फिर मैं डाइट पे चली गई. Then I started swimming because I can't work out. I'm lazy like that. But I love playing in water. So I went swimming and I went on a diet and I lost all the weight. And then I saw all those videos, those scary videos. They haunt me at night.
I mean, like nose job, like cheek कटवा दी अपनी, हड्डियां निकलवा दी हैं, मुंह से इतना पतला हो गया.
And whatever picture I post, whatever I write in the caption, they're just like, you lost weight? You lost weight? Tell me about your weight loss journey. Everyone just wants to know how to lose weight. Stop eating, you'll lose weight. It's so
no, don't stop eating.
No.
Like, eat right.
Yeah, eat right.
Eat right.
So what they do is they eat and they eat everything and then they're like, we're not losing weight.
Yeah.
You're not supposed to just eat everything and then expect your weight to just go away. You have to eat the right vegetables, you have to steam your food, don't put a lot of mirchi in it, and don't have a lot of cheese or,
Cheese? Did you really like a lot of cheese?
I love cheese.
Don't have a lot of cheese. I like cheese.
I love cheese. So that's what I did.
Mouse, you have no more cheese.
Because that's what I did. When I was losing weight, I had to cut off cheese and fizzy drinks and all the chips that I used to eat. I miss them. But now that I've lost all the weight, I eat everything. Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
Everything in moderation, I think it works.
Yeah,
It
absolutely.
works. Yeah. Asha, okay, before we go, like quickly tell me about your new projects. I believe you're shooting in Androon Sheher.
Yeah.
And kya naam hai? So what's the project about? Like what's...
I'm really excited for this project. It's called Abdullahpur Ka Devdas. It's gonna be on air very soon. There's another drama that I just did, It's called Galati. It's on ARY right now. I hope you guys are watching it. And I did Mere Paas Tum Ho, and I am the happiest person on earth. I swear.
Oh, that's so nice
Yeah.
to hear. I'm so happy.
Yeah.
And I wish you all the best. And
Thank
I hope
you.
all of your projects are like pretty much equally successful.
Thank you.
As Mere Paas Tum Ho, which has
I hope
gotten
so.
pretty much like, breaking records.
Yeah.
And all the best. And I hope to have you soon back on MMP. On that note, I'm going to beg my leave. I hope you guys enjoyed this whirlwind of a segment. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you can be part of the Mohan's Mixtape family. Let me know in the comments below what you guys thought of Mere Paas Tum Ho and of Anush's upcoming projects. Until next time then.